Hello and welcome to our skincare video. Today we will be discussing skincare routines, tips, and specific products to help you achieve healthy and glowing skin. First, let's talk about understanding different skin types. There are oily, dry, combination, and sensitive skin types. It's important for you to identify your skin type so you can choose the right. Now let's move on to building a basic skincare routine. Cleansing is the first step, and it's crucial to use a gentle cleanser to remove impurities without stripping the skin. Next, toning helps balance the skin's pH levels. And finally, moisturizing is essential for all skin types to keep the skin hydrated and nourished. In segment 3, we will discuss targeted skincare. Serums are great for addressing specific concerns, such as using vitamin C for brightening or hyaluronic acid for hydration. Additionally, eye creams play a vital role in addressing concerns like dark circles or puffiness around the eyes. Moving on to segment 4, we cannot stress enough the importance of daily sunscreen application. Sunscreen protects the skin from harmful UV damage. We recommend using a sunscreen with a suitable SPF level and demonstrating the proper application technique. In segment 5, we will share some helpful tips and tricks for maintaining healthy skin. Staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, and maintaining a healthy diet all contribute to healthy skin. We will also discuss the significance of doing a patch test before trying new products. Segment 6 is all about answering viewer questions. We encourage you to leave your questions in the comments for future videos. We will also answer a couple of common skincare questions from previous videos or social media. To wrap up, let's summarize the key points from today's video. We hope you found these skincare tips helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips. Stay beautiful.